Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodoo. In this video, we'll introduce how to retrieve a certain record from a subform embedded in one form to another form with data linkage. Here we take an example of product model registration and stock-in registration. To begin with, we prepare a product model registration form with these fields. Similarly, we create a stock-in registration form. Then we go to App Management, Aggregate Tables, add a new aggregate table. Name the aggregate table as Single Record Linkage, click Data Source, Single Form, select Product Model Registration from the drop-down list, and click OK to save the settings. For the row header of the aggregate table, add the product name and quality level subfields. For the measure of the aggregate table, set the auxiliary field to number, auxiliary field. OK. Save all the settings. Next, we go back to the stock-in registration form. Select the product name field, go to Field Properties, Option, then select Data Linkage settings. We select the single record linkage under Aggregate Tables as linked form. Set the condition as auxiliary field equals number, auxiliary field, and set the triggered linkage accordingly. OK. Similarly, set the data linkage for the quality level field. We select the single record linkage table, set the condition and triggered linkage. By now, we have finished the single record linkage setting. Let's see how it works. First, prepare some records in the product model registration form. Then, when we can see when filling in the stock-in information in the stock-in registration form, the product model details will be displayed according to the product you selected. So that's all about setting single record linkage of Subform in Jodoo. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And let us know in the comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.